.7. I think that's the best I can do right now. So let's do some fiberglass work. This is the mountain bracket for a front bumper. I will reinforce them a bit on the inside. Then I'm going to attach them to the front bumper. And I hope I get them in the right position. It will be a lot of work to get them off later. Let's see if we can get this on the bumper. It doesn't look like much right now, but we will go over it with a new layer of plastic later when this has cured. Let's see if the bumper has cured out here. Here we have the bumpers. Yes. This is good. Just trim off a bit of this. I will put you on the tripod so I can fix the front bumper. One of those and one of those. We put them over here. This one. will... It's really stiff. Really stiff. I think it's good enough like it is now. But my plan was to add more fiberglass in some of the spots. But before I do that, I want to test fit it on the car. So let's do the test fit first. This can't be the right way to get it to fit. There has to be another way to get it to fit better. That's why. The thing I want to test most is if I get all the 4 screws in. That's the most important, and it will be in the right position. There's one in place, and let's see. Here we have number 2, 3. That one is hard to see, I know. The thing is, the outer ones are missing, but I think I have replacement. I will check. No, didn't have something in the right size, but the rear bumper is maybe... This is where I found one really short and one big one. We try them. All 4 bolts in the right position. Should go up like that, I think. Quite right. It's lined up on this side. It's good enough. I don't think we can get it perfect, but I don't think you will see it in the end. Now we take it off again. That will be fun to do when everything has new paint on it. I already prepared some fiberglass here to put in the front bumper. It's just some small pieces, but it will be a big difference. It will be a larger attachment surface, so it will be hold on much stronger. I'm using this 250 gram roving for this thing. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.